this body, he that came from this body, very intelligent came this body. Yeah. What are you doing?
I will put in front of you.
Can somebody translate? But my English is not good. You can translate.
Translate. Oh, maybe next time I will do translate. I will put mic and translate.
Then anybody don't know, I give this class.
This is for English people also class.
English.
Yes.
Anybody don't know, I give class.
No problem. I'm just trying.
They can watch later.
Hmm?
They can watch later.
What?
They
can watch later.
Later, yeah.
So anybody don't know, today I'm giving class.
No problem. We're trying.
Huh?
We're trying.
And my English is not so good.
English is very good, Mara.
It's bad.
It got a lot better.
Your English is great.
Yeah. So now, so Radharani, she the manifested left side of Srimad Krishna, and that place is the Ras Mandal. Yeah, Ras Mandal. So she the manifested from to Ras Mandal, so her name is the Ra. Yeah. And when she manifested, then he pick up very beautiful flower. She the pick up nice flower. Now she want worship to Lord Krishna, then he run away. So our India language telling Dhabita. Dhabita meaning she the run. She the run. So then her name is Radha. Stop. The stop. This is the stop.
Заставка включилась. Okay, I will just remove.
You said that Radharani picked up one flower and then...
He the pick up some flower. Now she want worship Lord Krishna. Says the running, Bharat Krishna. Run away to Krishna. So our Sanskrit language, he telling Dhabita. Dhabita meaning she the run away for to Krishna. Running to Krishna, so his name is the Radha. Yeah? His name is the Radha. So our scripture, they are telling so many meaning of Radha. Yes, so many meaning of Radha. So telling what is the meaning of Radha? This is the Sanskrit language, Radha Bridhau. That meaning is the always Radha Rani prem is the increase. Always Radha Rani prem is always the increasing, always increasing. So her name is the Radha. Yeah? And Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained here, if somebody prem increase, now he is the increase, now coming one stage where they stop, not possible, he can more increase. But after also Radharani always her prem is increase always. Never is stop, Never her prem is the don't stop. So Radha meaning is the always who is prem, always is the increase. So her name is the Radha. So our scripture telling so many meaning of Srimati Radharani. So many meaning of Srimati Radharani. So now coming to the question, you can look Srimad Bhagavat, but you cannot look the meaning of Radharani there. Yeah? And telling Srimad Bhagavat is the topmost scripture. Among all scripture, Bhagavat is the topmost scripture. So telling Bhagavat is the essence of Ved. Is the essence of all Brahma Sutra. This is the essence of Puran. He is the essence of Mahabharata. He is the essence of Brahma Gayatri. He is the essence of everything, all scripture. So Bhagavata is the topmost scripture of the whole world. Yeah? And Radharani, she is the, she is the, Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead. Krishna is the who? Krishna, who is the Krishna? He is the supreme personality of Godhead. So he is telling, ete chance kalapunsa Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. Krishna is the Swayam Bhagavan. Yeah? Krishna is the Swayam Bhagavan. And he, Brahma also telling, Ishvara Parama Krishna Sachida Nanda Vigraha Anadi Radhi Govindam Sarva Karanadana. Yeah? So Krishna is the, he is the supreme personal Godhead. But even supreme personal to Godhead Krishna, everybody worship to Lord Krishna, Brahma, Shankar, Narad, Uddhav, all demigod and demigoddess there, everybody worship to Lord Krishna. But everybody worship to Krishna. But Krishna worship to whom? Krishna worship to whom? He is telling Krishna worship to Srimati Radharani. Yeah? So this name is the Seva Kunja. Yeah? This name is the Seva Kunja. Yes. So our Ras Khan, one devotee, Ras Khan. His name is the Ras Khan. His name is the, he is a Muslim. His name is the Ras Khan. Ras Khan meaning who is the embodiment of Ras. This is the India language. Ras Khan. Khan meaning is the what Khan. This is the Ras Khan means the where is the Al Ras is the where. Where is the Al Ras is the where. So this name is the Ras Khan. This Ras Khan is the told, बोले I वेद में ढूंढो पुराण में ढूंढो. I find to Ved where is the Krishna. Also I find to Puran also. I also Chauguna Chayan. I also look everywhere, all Puran, all Bhagavad, everywhere I search to Krishna, but I cannot search any place to him. I cannot search any place, find out to him. But when I came to Vrindavan, when I came to Vrindavan, then I sought this Krishna. Telling where I sought this Krishna, well I am sought Krishna this Seva Kunja. This Seva Kunja. Now, which situation? Krishna that time, what he do? I saw Krishna is doing message of Srimati Radharani. He is doing message to Srimati Radharani, lotus feet. So that name is the Seva Kunja. So all this Bhagavad is the topmost scripture for all scripture, yeah? And Bhagavad. And Krishna is the supreme personal Godhead, yeah? Krishna is the supreme personal Godhead. But now is the coming question, yeah? And Krishna also worship to Lord Radharani. But why Srimad Bhagavad? Why no Srimati Radharani's name? Why Sukadeva Goswami he did not give to Srimati Radharani's name to Srimad Bhagavad? Necessary, you come Vrindavan, everybody telling Radhe, 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 Radhe. Anybody don't telling Krishna, 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 Krishna. Here anybody not telling, just stop. So everybody don't telling Krishna, Krishna, everybody telling Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. If we are everybody telling Radhe, 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 so necessary, Srimad Bhagavata is the topmost scripture, necessary, they are Radharani's name. But Bhagavad, they are, you saw there no name of Srimati Radharani there. Yeah? They are only Krishna's pastime, and they are Srimad Bhagavad, they are also only Krishna's pastime, only another, incarnation pastime of Ram, pastime of Vaman Dev, pastime of Narsingh Bhagavan, pastime of Bharhadev, pastime of some devotees. But you can say there no any name of Srimati Radharani, no any name. Now coming question, why Sukadeva Goswami he did not give the Srimati Radharani name Srimad Bhagavat? Yeah. So our Goswami, our so many commentary person, there can be so many reasons why Srimad Bhagavat direct did not give to Srimati Radharani name. Yes, and there also Radharani's name. There also everywhere name of Radharani. But who is the gave there? But our Goswami is there gave. You know, our Goswami is like this Vishwanath Chakravarti. He told where name of Radharani Srimad Bhagavat, and Sri Sanatana Goswami has told where the Radharani name in Srimad Bhagavat, and Sri Jiva Goswami, yeah, Jiva Goswami, he also told where the Srimad Radharani name of Srimad Bhagavat, you know. So our all Goswamis, they are gave to name of Srimati Radharani, yeah, like this. Sanatana Goswami, yeah, Sanatana Goswami, he one place he told, oh, I am very restless Gopi. He telling Sanatana Goswami, I am very restless Gopi. Understand? I am very restless Gopi. Well, why I am very restless Gopi? Well, even Sukdev Goswami, he did not give to name of Srimati Radharani direct Srimad Bhagavat. But I am tell, but I am the declare the Radharani name. Okay? I am the declare the name of Radharani where? Well, where is the declare? Where? You know, where Srimad Bhagavat Sanatana Goswami, he do name of Radharani name he declared there. You know where? And where he told, oh, I am very restless Gopi. You know, even Sukdev Goswami, he did not declare the name of Radharani, but I am declared Radharani name.
Sanatana Goswami.
Yes, Sanatana Goswami. Yeah. So here, Sanatana Goswami, he gave commentary. Like this, when Krishna, he left this Rasa Leela. Yeah. This is the another place. When Krishna, he left here Rasa Leela. When Krishna, he left this Rasa Leela, yeah, and Rasa Leela, then all gopis, they are searching where is the Krishna, but they are not find out. Then they are came to bank of Jamuna, yeah, and take guidance of Sri Jamuna, you know, take the guidance of Sri Jamuna. Why Jamuna is the Anuradha, she is the Anuradha, yeah, she is the Anuradha, she is the, so take the shelter of Jamuna. They are singing this Gopi Geet, you know, they are singing Jayati Tethikam Janmana Braja Srayata Indira Saswadadrahi Daitadriksatam Diksutabaka Tvaidhritatsava Twang Vichinate. Yeah? When they are singing this Gopi Geet, yeah, then Krishna, he cannot, you know, he cannot stay. What?
Stay away.
They cannot stay away. And she is the manifested, you know. She is the manifested between of all this Braj Gopi. Yes, when she is the manifested between of this Braj Gopi, that time telling, and that time telling Krishna, that time, you know, put this garland, you know, one garland. Krishna telling, oh Radhe, which garland you made for me and put my neck. Now same garland I have did not change this garland, meaning I cannot another gopi, you know, another gopi garland I cannot accept. Now still your hand garland, now my neck, meaning I am doing so much love to you. So your own garland now still my neck, yeah, still my neck. I did not change this garland, yeah. And when Krishna is manifested, then what happening? Then, yeah, then is the all gopi, some gopi they are coming. Some gopi catch the Krishna's lotus feet. Some gopi catch this arm, and some gopi embraced, you know, to him. Some gopi asking, "Oh, gave your beetle, your remnant beetle. You gave remnant beetle." Some gopis, and then some gopis, yeah, they did not come to near. They are standing some far away. Some gopis they are, you know, and then only one gopi is standing some alone place, and she is looking Krishna like this, you know, crooked eyes. She is looking the crooked eyes, yeah, and became so angry, yeah. ekam prukiti mavadya prema samvrida bivala. She became so angry to Krishna. Yeah, but here, yeah, but then Krishna, even somebody catch Krishna's lotus feet, Krishna's arm, Krishna's cloth, asking some this beetle, this is the remnant people. But some gopi, they are standing some far away. But Krishna did not looking anywhere. Yeah, Krishna only looking to who is the only one gopi, who is the very angry mood, very sulky mood, and looking very crooked eyes to Krishna. Only Krishna is looking to her. Krishna only look to her. So Bhagavat, declare Sukadeva Goswami did not declare anybody's name. He did not declare to anybody's name. But the Sanatana Goswami he declared. Sanatana Goswami, he is the told, telling who is the catch the Krishna's lotus feet, who is the embrace to Krishna, who is the asking this tambul, prasadi, who is there? Telling they are gopis, they are the Chandravali. They are side of the Chandravali gopis. There are Chandravali gopis they have. Yeah. And why their mood is the, their mood is the, their mood is the Krita Sneha. Yeah. Their mood is the Krita Sneha. Yeah. And their mood is the, their mood is the Tadiya. Their Tadiya, this is the mood. Yeah. And who is the standing some far away? Some another gopi they are standing far away. Who is there? They are the Lalita, Visakha, they are side of Radharani gopis. Lalita, Visakha, Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari, Labanga Manjari, they are standing there. They stand there. They are looking. What they are look? They are look to how Radharani glory is the topmost of glory. Radharani's glory is the topmost of glory to hear glory. Why? Even somebody catch Krishna arm lotus, but Krishna did not look to everywhere, anywhere. Krishna only looked to Srimati Radharani. Yeah? Only Krishna he looked to Srimati Radharani. Yeah? And this Lalita, Visakha, Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari, they are looking. Oh, Krishna, our Krishna doing so much love to our Radharani. So Krishna did not look to everywhere. Who is the catch the lotus feet, arm, that. He have no any attention anywhere. Krishna's only attention to our Srimati Radharani. Only Krishna looked to Srimati Radharani. Yeah. So Sanatana Goswami, he tell everybody name. Who is that person? Who is that person? Who is that person? That only Sanatana Goswami is the expert. Yeah. Sanatana Goswami. So after Sanatana Goswami telling, oh, I am such a restless gopi, I am very restless gopi. Restless gopi. Chanchal. I am very chanchal gopi, restless gopi. So I am declared Radharani name, So this way. But now coming question, how this Sanatana Goswami is the know this thing. Yeah, Sanatana Goswami know this thing. Who is gopi whom? Who is gopi whom? How is why she is still there? When this past time is going, that time Sanatana Goswami is the Labanga Manjari. Yeah, she is the Labanga Manjari. She is that time is the there. Yeah, that time is there. So she is looking everything. Yeah, so he is the know to everything. So he is the declared everybody name. So Bhagavat, there Bhagavat everywhere the this Radharani's name, but they are not in direct, they are indirect. So after you listening why Srimad Bhagavat, there are no Radharani's name direct, what is the reason? Yeah. Before I tell so many times, I already told that thing. Why not there? If they are, how he gave to Radharani's name? After you can discussing. Okay, now you try to listening in this Chaitanya Charitamrita. They are Adi Lila Chaturtha Parichay. Yeah, Adi Lila, the Chaturtha Parichay, 4th chapter of this Chaitanya Charitamrita. They are Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami he is doing some glories of Srimati Radharani. Yeah? Glories of Srimati Radharani. And this Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is the which Manjari? Kasturi Manjari. Yeah, she is the Kasturi Manjari. Yeah, Radharani, Kasturi Manjari. And she is the very, very intimate Manjari of Srimati Radharani. Very close to. Yeah. So he gave here Radharani nice glory of Srimati Radharani. So here telling, this Braj, there is the four ras is the manifested in Braj. There is the four ras. And four ras devotees, there are four ways they are to serve to Lord Krishna. Yeah? One is the Dasya, one is the Sakhya, one is the Vatsalya, one is the Madhur. Yeah? There are four rasas is there. Yeah? Four rasas is there. But, but there one very, very surprise thing is there. What is the surprise thing? Surprise thing is that who is the worship to Lord Krishna Dasya Ras? Through this Dasya Ras, they think my ras is the topmost. What kind of I got enjoy, happiness. Like this happiness, not anybody. But who is through this Sakhya Ras, they are love to Lord Krishna. That our ras is the very topmost ras. Okay? Our top ras is the very topmost ras. Okay, so nobody like this. How you are enjoying, why you are always playing with Lord Krishna. Yeah? And playing with Lord Krishna and gopis, they are cooking nice Radharani and gopis, and they are paid to us. You are taking nice prasad. Yeah? Nice prasad. Sometimes you are sit the Krishna's shoulder. Yeah? Sometimes Krishna also eat our remnant. Sometimes you are devoted to Lord Krishna. Yeah? You are always playing with Lord Krishna. Yeah? Our ras is the topmost ras. Best ras. They are thing, But their mother Jasoda, see the thing, my ras is the topmost ras. Yeah? Why? Krishna is my son. He is the drinking my breast milk. Always I give to love, affection. He sit my lap. Yeah? Sometimes I am kind to him, sometimes chastise to him. Always he when he sleep, Krishna always sleep like my lap, always sleeping. When mother sleep, take this one lap, this son, always is sleeping with me. So my ras is the topmost ras. But this Braj gopis, yeah, they are thinking, our ras is the topmost ras. Yeah? Krishna always staying with us. Yeah? Always staying, always with us. Doing Ras Lila with us. Doing this Kunja Lila, Krishna doing us. And Krishna doing so many sweet pastime Krishna he doing with us. So our ras is the topmost ras. Yeah? So this ras name is telling Madhur ras. Gopis love is telling this the Madhur ras. But here telling, when somebody already entered this ras, Dasya ras, Sakhya ras, Vatsalya, Madhur ras, if somebody complete entry there, complete entry is there, they are thinking, oh, our ras is the topmost ras. But if somebody did not enter, yeah, they did not enter this ras, yeah, and they are tatastha, place of tatastha, what is tatastha? Neutral. They can, they can consider to which ras is the very superior. They can think, they can decide it. Yeah, they can decide it without when somebody completely enters, they cannot decide it. Okay, they stop there. Yeah, if they are to decide it, this is a very bad thing. This is some very bad thing. Yeah, if somebody think, oh, my ras is the some loyal from them, then what happens? They think, oh, what kind of I am enjoying this ras? Oh, somebody enjoys more the higher ras. Then what happening? He is thinking, oh, my ras is no good. Yeah? So I also want that kind of ras, that kind of rasal. But they are completely, when observe this ras, they are thinking our ras is the topmost ras. So is somebody some neutral, they can like this us, we are. You can to consider what else? You can to decide it, you can
Analyze also.
huh?
Analyze also.
Yeah, analyze.
Analyze.
You can do analyze to which rasa is the very topmost. You can do analyze, yeah, not which already entered they cannot analyze. So you are telling, yeah, Madhur Ras, telling last method प्रकाश पाए सही रहती स्थल विशेष वासना उल्लास में रहती उत्तर yeah. So here, yeah, this Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, here Rupa Goswami, he gave one slok here. Which rasa is this is the topmost rasa, which rasa. Yeah. So telling topmost rasa is the, yeah, he gave here example. What is the, what is the enjoy? What telling your language? Blissful. What is the blissful in the Dasyaras? This is the Sakyaras, and the Sakyaras is more than blissful in the Sakyaras. And there are Dasyaras also present there, and the Sakyaras also present there. And what is the energy of the Sakyaras? Then blissful, more than blissful is the Vatsalyaras. What is the blissful in the Vatsalyaras? Then more blissful in the Sringaras. This is Sringaras, Madhuras, their topmost blissful in the Sringar Ras. Yeah, Sringar Ras. So you are telling this Sringar Ras also, there are two kind of Sringar Ras. Yeah, two kind. Well, what is this? This is the two kind. Telling one is the Sakya, another is the Parakya. Yeah, one is the Sakya and another is the Parakya. You know Sakya, Parakya? Yeah. And you know Sakya Prem. Sakya Prem meaning when somebody to marriage, husband and wife. Yeah, this is the Sakya Prem. And another is the without marriage, when you are some love affection, they are telling this is the Parakya. Yeah, this is the Parakya. This is the two kind of this Sringar Ras, Madhur, the two kind. One Sakya, another is the Parakya. So, but here telling this Parakya Bhavirat Ati Rasare Ulhas. But where is the more tasteful, more enjoy mood? Telling this is the where is the Parakya. Yeah, Parakya Rasa is the enjoy mood. Everything this transcendental world, everything is the reflection of this material world. This world also something क्या होता है? Similarly, something is similarly. Like this, telling when you do marriage, then what happening? First, your wife look very beautiful. Telling this is a Chandramukhi, telling Chandramukhi. You know Chandramukhi? This face look like this is the moon. When do marriage? After some day, this slowly make it decrease. Then became Surjamukhi. Like this, you know this thing. Then is the Jwalamukhi. Yeah. Then is the fight. This. Then love slowly came down. But without marriage, yeah, without marriage, always this, when always is the look like Chandramukhi, look like moon face, But this is this material world, this is the bad. Our material world only accept, then husband and wife marriage together, then can stay. Without marriage, no. This our scripture never accept this. This is the telling. This is very bad. Then you go to hell. Yeah. Without marriage, if you meet somebody, complete our scripture did not accept. Telling complete this is bad. Okay. Huh? Sin. This is the sinful activity. Sin. But spiritual, the spiritual world, this is the very good. There is the good. There is the good. Why? This is the why you love to whom? You love to Krishna. There are Parakya meaning you love to whom? You love to only Krishna, not anything else. Yeah, not any another person. Yeah, so you love to only Krishna. So there is the. You can take this. So there is the. This is the very. This is the what? This is the good. There is the. This thing is the. Huh? Yeah, there is what technical language. There is the nice, but here is the bad thing. So he is telling this parakya mode. Where is the this why this parakya mode always is the new and very more blissful. So that so is the blissful. Maybe Rupa Goswami, maybe he gave there 3 or 4 region, maybe he gave there 4 or 3 region he gave there. Now if somebody think you got very rare, then you think, oh, like this, you are staying in America, when to Vrindavan, oh, after 1 year, 5 years I came to Vrindavan, next year I go to Jamuna Nadi, to Bath, I can do Vrindavan Parikrama, go to Giriraj Govardhan, go to Nandagam, go to Barsana, go to Jhabad, go to Kukilavan, why? After maybe 5 years, after came to once Vrindavan, that's it. But who is always stay here, even if Jamuna is very close, they did not go. Where Jamuna is? Yeah, Jamuna is here. So which thing is very, very rare, very, very rare. You can give to so much, what? So much, huh?
Appreciation, affection.
Appreciation. Yeah, very rare thing. So this is parakya. Yeah, parakya is this parakya or India. So you can look. All gopis their husband. All gopis their husband. Radharani also husband. Everybody is the husband. Yeah, everybody husband. But our by this scripture telling only then you can stay with some person if he your husband. Without our scripture never accept. Think this is a very bad thing. So they are everybody husband, but they are only husband. They are they are accept husband. Why they are accept husband? Yeah, our scripture then only can meet to her husband, not anything else. But they are why they are become husband, but they are want to they are this parakya ras. How this parakya ras makes some blissful. Why this parakya ras? Meaning without marriage, when very hidden way, if you meet somebody, this is the parakya ras. Yeah. So only Jog Maya, so only sees the arrange how this parakya ras makes some increase, makes some fatally nourishing. Parakya ras becomes nourishing. So Jog Maya is arranging this thing. But all gopis, who is the beloved? The all gopis, only Krishna. Krishna is this. Only Krishna is the Braj gopis, beloved, not any else. Yeah, not any else. So retelling. Yeah. So this parakya rasa is the more blissful. But parakya mood where present telling any Braj, not any else. Not Dwarka, not Mathura, not Ajodhya, not Vaikuntha, not anywhere, not this parakya rasa. Only present in Braj, not only anywhere. Yeah. So you are telling Braj. Huh?
Krishna and Puja, not parakya rasa.
ब्रजबधु गणेर এই ভাব নিরবধি তার মধ্যে রাধিকার ভাবের অবধি but this mood situated at home, but only this braj, and this is the only situated in the gopis, not any else, not any queens, no only this situated the braj gopi. But topmost this braj mood situated where is situated is the this Mati Radharani. Yeah, this thing is always situated in Srimati Radharani. So praura nirmal bhava premara sarvatam Krishna madhurya aswadan, Krishna madhurya ras aswadan karan. So the parakya mode completely situated with Radharani. So Radharani is the always is the got so much blissful. Yeah, so much blissful always. Why that like this Sanket, Sanket, Sevakun, some place where Radharani, she makes some excuse. Radharani always makes some excuse. Oh, where are you going? Well, you are going to worship to sun god. You are going to worship to sun god. Yeah, you are going to worship to some another this that. There was some excuse, and there sometimes go to Radha Kunda, sometimes go to their Surya Kunda, sometimes come to this Sanket. Many places they are very hidden way. They try to very hidden way, so they are more blissful. And when meet easily to somebody, oh, there is the always great thing there. Yeah. So Yogamaya arranged this thing. And sometimes what happening? Radharani, she sent to some gopi to Krishna. Yeah. He can told Krishna, I am come to there. Krishna also, he also sent to some Sakha to Radharani, Subala Sakha. Yeah. Oh, you can told Krishna come to that place. Now Radharani makes some excuse and Krishna also makes some excuse. Now they are try to one place, they are meet some hidden place. Yeah. But they are meet there. Then maybe this parrot, the Radharani, this parrot, and came and telling, oh, Jatila, Kutila, Jatila is the coming here. Then they are, then they are completely left that place. Run away that place. So who is thing very rare, then you can give so much importance to there. But so Radharani always this mood, so always Radharani nourishing to this ras, always more ras is relative. Radharava Brunivana. अतएव सही भाव अंगीकार करी रासा दिले निज वाचा गौर सुंदरी. So here Krishnadas Kaviraj has told. So even Krishna, he also want to take that kind of ras. Yeah. Krishna also want relates to that kind of ras. So Krishna what he did, then he take the shelter of Srimati Radharani. Krishna he take the Srimati Radharani, take the mood of Radharani and the color of Radharani. Krishna he accept this thing and appeared. Then Krishna he became Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And always Mahaprabhu will be the Krishna. Mahaprabhu is the Krishna. But inside is the Krishna, or outside is the Radharani. But always, what is Mahaprabhu thinking? Always he thinking, I am the Radharani. Sometimes he thinks, I am Krishna, but always, most time, always thinking, I am the Radharani. I am always the Srimati Radharani. ब्रजवधु गणेर नयनगत प्रेमेर निर्जास वस्तु स्वरूप से चैतन्य की में ये होने के प्रकार मधुर रस भोग परिवार आशाएं निज वर्ण गोपन करते राधा भाव स्वीकार चैतन्य महाप्रभु प्रगति नियमा के विशेष कर. Here gave two slok. One is the Stavamala. Rupa Goswami wrote the Stavamala. There Mahaprabhu some prayer, and there are two sloks from this Stavamala. There is the Mahaprabhu Ashtak. They are telling who is the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Ye Devata Digarapakya Durga Upanishad Ganja Kapar Prada Bhatliyangan Madhurima Brajavatu. He telling Mahaprabhu he take the form of, he took the mood of Radharani and the color of Srimati Radharani. Here telling this thing is very rare. Yeah, very rare. Even here telling, even this thing, demigod they cannot, nourishing to this ras. He cannot take the taste of this ras. Devata cannot got. And also Ganer Kashta Gamma. Then Upanishad, Upanishad, he also don't understand this Braj Prem, this Braj is such a very rare. Upanishad, they are also don't know. Yeah? And they are telling, and big, who is the very Muni, Rishis, very great personality. They are also did not, they also cannot achieve this ras, this Braj ras. And even Madhurima, Brajavadhu, telling who is the realizing this bhakti, but that person only realizing this bhakti, who is the only take shelter of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, only shelter of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Yeah, and the guidance of this Mahaprabhu line, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu line, not any another line. Yeah, our India there are so many sampradaya, Ramanus sampradaya, you know there are Ramanandi sampradaya. Yeah, there are Vishnu Swami sampradaya. Yeah, and Nimbarka sampradaya. There are another also many sampradaya. They are so worship to Lord Krishna, Ram, Narayan. Well, they cannot releasing this mood of mood. Only who is the came of Mahaprabhu line, Gaudiya Vaishnava line, they can only understand this thing only. Yeah. So he's telling Brajajupati Ganera Nayanagata Premer Nirjas Vastu Swarup. Telling Brajajupati Ganera Nayanagata Premer Nirjas Vastu Swarup. Very hard word. Brajajupati Ganera Nayanagata Premer. He telling this prem, where is the situated this prem only situated eyes of this Braj Gopis, you know, Radha Rani's eyes, this prem only where eyes of Braj Gopis, you know, eyes also sometimes tucking, you know, eyes also tucking, mouth also tucking, eyes also tucking. Why? Are you happy, not happy? How can I understand? When you look your eyes. When looking somebody, looking where? You can looking somebody eyes. Eyes can tell to you what is the, are you happy, are you not happy? Yeah, this eyes can tell everything. You know, this is the mirror of whole body. This is the mirror of whole body. Yeah, if you are very happy, your eyes become so happy, and you are unhappy, your eyes. Like this. So telling this prem only situated this is the eyes of Gopis and Radharani's eyes. Yeah. So another sloka is जे कौतिक कृष्ण प्रणय जटिल रस समूह आस्वादन करत अपार कोन एक प्रकार मधुर रस भोग करिया आशाए निज वर्ण गोपन करत रसमासन. So telling Krishna is the very kautik. Very Krishna is the very nutcut, you know. He is the very trick also,
Tricky.
and he is a tricky. Krishna also very tricky also, nutty also, and crooked also. Actually, crooked also, nutty also, restless. So kautik meaning who is always want realizing that new ras. Always want realize this new ras.
Playful.
Yeah. Huh?
Playful.
Yeah, I don't know. आस्वादन करत अपार कोन एक प्रकार मधुर रस विशेष भोग करिब. So Krishna always want releasing the new ras. So then Krishna was telling what? So he want. So Krishna is the covered this own color. Yeah, Krishna is the black. Now is the covered the Radharani color. Now is the Gaura Hari. What is his name? Gaura Hari. Why his name is the Gaura Hari? What is the meaning of Gaura Hari? You know? What is the meaning of Gaura Hari? What is the meaning of Gaura Hari?
Krishna taking the golden complexion of his Hari, but taking the complexion of Srimati Radhika. Stealing.
You know, Gaura Hari, Gaura meaning Radharani is the golden complexion. Yeah, golden complexion. Yeah, and Hari, Krishna's name is the Hari. Gaura meaning golden complexion. Hari, Krishna's name is the Hari. Now there are two, they are meet, now are one. This is the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Radha Krishna, they are both, they are now one. So his name is the Gaura Hari. Yeah. So Gaura Hari. So now Krishna, he covered this black complexion and take to Radharani mood. And so now he came. Even Krishna is the embodiment of a ras. Who is the Krishna? So telling Krishna is the rasa vaisa, you know, he is the embodiment of al ras. And Rupa Goswami telling Akhil Rasamrita Murti. Yeah, Krishna, this body is the Akhil Rasamrita Murti, meaning all ras is the, this is Krishna's home is the all ras, embodiment of all ras, Krishna. Yeah, even Krishna is the embodiment of ras, but he also, but which kind of a ras Radharani he releasing, Krishna also so much attracted they are. Krishna also want take to this ras. So how Radharani ras is the very higher, So Krishna also attract, and Krishna also take mood and color of Radharani, and he is the came to this world. Yes, it's Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
And he means also still, yeah?
Yes. Okay. बोले राधा रानी सचिनंदन गौर हरि की जय निताई गौर प्रेमानंद